friends, so today we're going to be making some art with some circles and some lines. So you're going to take a paper and turn it long ways, and I'm going to use a marker, but I recommend using a pencil first. I'm just using marker so it's easier to see. So you're going to make a whole bunch of different circles, and they can go off your page and on. So I'm going to do my first one just like over here. If you'd like to trace something to make more perfect circles, that's completely fine. Artist choice. And you can make little circles and big ones, and you're just filling up your paper with these different circles. And I'm going to have a few kind of going off my page too. Looks like I have some bubbles kind of floating along. So if you wanted to do all the same size circle you could, or you can do big and small like I'm doing. It looks more interesting when there's different sizes. So then what you're going to do is draw some parallel lines going through the circles. So what I mean by that is just going up and down. If you'd like to use a ruler, you're welcome to, or if you don't have a ruler, you can use something else that's straight, or just do the best job that you can. And I'm going to just do some parallel lines going up. So I'm going to just do a line here. And you want to go through the circles. 2, 3. Maybe I'll add another circle while I'm at it. There we go. 4. So you can do 4 or 5 or 6 lines going up and down. I would do at least 4, I would think. And it's okay if your lines aren't perfectly up and down, like this one's kind of tilted looking a little bit, but no worries. So once you have your circles, you're going to get 2 different colors, and they can be any 2 colors that you'd like. You can use crayon or marker or colored pencil, and I'm going to choose 2 different colors. You want to choose 2 that look different from each other. Like, it might be neat to do opposite colors, but you don't have to. It can be any 2 colors that you prefer. We're going to color in the backgrounds and the circles in different colors, kind of alternating each one as we go. So I'm going to do green for my circle here, and I'm just sticking to green circles this section over. So when I hit this line, I'm stopping with my green. This one's green, green, and green. You're going to use your other color, and I think I'll change it up. I want to do purple. Purple's my favorite, so I'll do this purpley color. You're going to do the background in that color, the second color that you choose. Stopping at that line that you drew. So once you finish with that background and that circle, you're going to switch from whatever you used in your background, and then you're going to do the opposite here. So I have my purple background, so I'm going to do the opposite and do a purple circle. So it's going to be right here, this half that divides it. This one is going to be purple also on just this section. background is going to be this color that we used in our first section, which is going to be the green. So I'm going to do my whole background in green. And you can use any colors you like. I'm just doing purple and green because I really like them and I think they look kind of cool together right now. And you can do this in marker, color pencil, or crayon, whatever you have available. And if you don't have any of that, it could probably work even in pencil if you just did like some shading, but I think it looks the most unique when it's in color. The more circles you have, the more fun it kind of starts to look. So don't be afraid to add some more circles in your other sections. Once you start coloring, you can't really add more circles to these ones, but over here, if you want to go ahead and add a few more circles, you're welcome to. And then we're going to do green for the circles in this section, kind of going back. You guys can definitely take your time coloring. I just wanted to show you the basics of the coloring part. So then I wanted to just show that you do background and then the color, and then you kind of just like do the opposite as you go. And these look really cool once you're finished. They look kind of like they're like kind of moving across, changing different colors. So yeah, hopefully you have fun with that, and just do the best job that you can. Not all of them look the same, so just make sure that you enjoy what you're doing. Thanks.